Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a KRX 1000. We've just installed the 10-pod rock light kit from R1 Industries. Want to do a little walk around and show you a little bit about how the kit functions. The installation is pretty easy. All you got to do is route your wiring. We've done 2 in each wheel well on the KRX, and then we've selected to put 2 up in the front grille. We love that look up there with it reflecting off of the radiator. You can control these with an app on your phone. You can make a solid color, you can make them rotate through the different color options as you see here. Of course, you've got total freedom where you would like to install those on your own machine. What do you guys think? My camera won't even do justice on the kit. If you'd like to get one of these on the way, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, has them online as well, ready to order and ready to ship today. Great price, great product. Fits on any machine that you've got. It's a universal fit, of course. And there you have it. Have a great night, everybody.